Today we're going to discuss how to prepare EC2 server for the future deployment CI/CD for the Django. First of all, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me a lot to make more videos and improve quality of those. Please also write any comments. Let's go to Amazon. We are assuming that you already have the account here. Let's choose some region that are close to you. Let's choose whatever you like, for example Ireland. Then maybe you don't have here like quick actions, like just type in the search EC2 and open the service called EC2. There is nothing running at the moment, so we will create the first one. Let's press launch and let's type something Django deployment. Here's like a list of operation systems that are available. I would use Amazon Linux as those packages that I will recommend. They are specific to that operation system. For the other will be a bit different. So also I believe they are adapt that operation system for their services, so I believe it's the best choice. Then you can choose instance type, so that means like what's the performance you need. The default one of the smallest ones, but you can choose whatever you need. For the testing purposes we are fine with this one. Also this one is including 112 for free, if you can see here description, so it's enough like to understand how it works. So the next step, we need to create the keys. The keys are gonna be used to access the server from terminal, so let's just create a new key. We don't need to change any settings here, just give it the name. I will call it simply EC2 key. Let's create it and it's chosen here. So also there is firewall settings. We will need to enable HTTPS and HTTP, so we don't need to change in the future. The next one is memory. I believe we are fine with 8 GB, so we just continue as default. That's it. I believe we don't need to change anything else. Just press launch instance and the process is started. Let's go to the list of the instances and you can see it's pending. It's several seconds and it should be ready. Let's wait a bit. After you create it, if you can see, here's the key. So after we created that instance, we have in downloads. If you go to downloads folder, we already have that key that just created. So it's running. Let's go and try to connect. First of all, I would like to move that key to my project, so I can just access it from here. Let's create, and yeah, you can see I just showed it. It doesn't matter because it's just for testing purposes, but better to not share that key. So let's try to connect to the server. So to do so, we need to write the command ssh, then the key EC2 key. The default user name for the Amazon Linux is just EC2 user, and then we need IP address of the server, so it's here. You can see public IP address, just put it here, and now we can try to connect, but we will not because we need to change permission for that key. But let's try just to see the error. Just type yes. here these permissions are too open, so the operation system recommend to make it a bit more protected. So let's do so. Just type mode and let's put it 400 and just choose the same command that we had before. Here you go, we are connected to the server, so you can check whatever you have here. It's empty, so we are ready. So let's do some preparation for the future. Let's go to my Gist account. I prepared some instructions here. Let's install Docker. I believe we don't need engines for now, just use Docker, so we can simply install it by copying this part and just pass to the command line. Press yes, and everything is installing. Let's wait a bit. Yeah, that's it. If you type now Docker version, you can see that it's installed. Docker PS to see what's running. Alright, now we need to install Docker Compose. Just copy this command, so it's downloading the latest one, and to the correct folder and just install it. Just copy it here. Here you go. We have installed Docker Compose as well. So if you check version, it's installed. Alright, that's it for now. Also, I would like to mention that this command for the installing packages are specific for that version of operation system. If you can check one here, yeah, Amazon Linux, and also I believe it's version 3 of that system. Yeah, they say just 2023, because there are some difference if you choose the older one or if there will be a newer one. So that's it for now. We have run in the server, we installed Docker Compose and Docker, so we can use for future CI/CD purposes. Thank you for watching. Let's wait the next video.